What is the definition of algorithm and its applications in technology? An algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions or a precise method designed to perform a specific task, solve a problem, or carry out a computation. It takes an input, processes it through a finite sequence of steps, and produces an output. In simple terms, an algorithm is like a recipe in cooking. It tells you what steps to follow, in what order, to achieve a result. Formal definition. An algorithm is finite. It has a clear beginning and end. Definite. Each step is unambiguous and clearly defined. Effective. It can be executed in a reasonable amount of time using available resources. Input-output. It accepts inputs and produces outputs. Applications of algorithms in technology. Algorithms are everywhere in modern technology. Some key applications include 1. Computer science and software. A. Sorting, e.g., bubble sort, quicksort. B. Searching, e.g., binary search, linear search. C. Data compression, e.g., zip, JPEG, MP3. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. A. Recommendation systems, e.g., YouTube, Netflix. B. Image and speech recognition. C. Natural language processing, e.g., chatbots, translation. 3. Cybersecurity. A. Encryption algorithms, AES, RSA. B. Hashing, for password protection, digital signatures. 4. Networking and Internet. A. Routing algorithms, e.g., Dijkstra's, OSPF, BGP. B. Load balancing in servers. C. Search engine ranking, e.g., Google's PageRank. 5. Robotics and automation. A. Pathfinding algorithms, e.g., A**. B. Motion control and decision-making. C. Optimization for task efficiency. 6. Everyday technology. A. GPS navigation, shortest path algorithms. B. Online banking, security algorithms. C. Social media feeds, content ranking algorithms. In short, an algorithm is the brain behind technology, making computers, smartphones, and AI systems run efficiently.